Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new jackets from Free Assembly. They have a crew neckline, the little buttons with the medallion. It's their snap. Completely lined. This is what the material looks like up close. Relaxed through the wrist. It is a shorter fit. This is the extra small, and then that same kind of fit through the back. So new color in the mock neck sweater from Scoop. So this is that fuzzy material, has the side seam, really good length, same fit through the back in the pink, also in the green, and they're going to be $24. So faux fur coats from MADDEN NYC. So these are open front with the hook and eye closure at the bottom. It's lined on the inside, double sizing, relaxed through the wrist, and then that same fit through the back has that nice oversized collar. Comes in the white, also in the black, and they're $24. Button front shirt from MADDEN NYC. This has that crew neckline, has this kind of hook and eye button with the velvet trim. Fitted through the wrist. That's what it looks like on. And then the same fit through the back in the black. Also comes in the ivory. And they're $15. So also new corset top from MADDEN NYC. So this has that tie detail, has the seaming under the bust, shorter, cropped, and then comes up in the back, and they're $14.50. So new colors in these sets from Time and True. So these have that mock neck, sleeveless, the rib bottom, relaxed fit. Pants are pull on, wide leg, and then the same fit through the back. So I think we saw it in this color. Now it comes in black. And the two pieces are $34.98. We'll have this set that we saw maybe a month or so now in the black. So this one has that crew neckline, relaxed fit. The pants are jogger, pull on, and the two pieces are also $34.98. Ruffled Henley blouse from Time and True. So this has that high neckline, smaller pearled buttons, this ruffle detail through the sleeve, and then it's belled at the bottom, relaxed fit, and then the seam through the back. What is this thing? Oh, from Scoop. Look at this coat. Has the oversized faux fur collar, double-breasted buttons, wool look, relaxed, completely lined, and then that length through the back. And also from Scoop, this pea coat, really nice, long, oversized, has the smaller collar, lapel, lined on the inside, relaxed through the wrists, and then that length through the back. Color in this sweatshirt from Jessica Simpson. So we saw it in the gray, now it's in the black. It has that V neckline. It's a French terry, all that stud detail with the ribbed wrist, also the ribbed bottom, and then that same fit through the back. Wash in the Melissa flare. So it's almost like a 70s kind of denim look with the camel stitching. Almost completely solid, just very light fading. And then the seam through the back. And these are going to be $25. And True jacket. So we saw this color before. Finally seeing this color while I'm filming. Has the smaller collar, tortoise buttons, the two front pockets, button detail on the wrist, scoop in the middle, and then the seam detail in the back. But how pretty are these pastels? And it's $27.98. The Black Friday deal puffer coats are down to $8. So these have that mock neck quilted. They're really small and packable. It looks like double sizing. In the pink with the burgundy, there's a black with the purple. There's a light blue with the navy, and then this beige color with the yellow. Dresses from No Boundaries. So these have that square neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, longer length with that same fit through the back. Comes in the pink, also in the black, and they're $12.98. So new pieces from Stranger Things. So this one has a V neckline, mid-size button drop sleeve, ribbed wrists with the little Scotty dogs. I never watched that show, so I don't know why that has to do with that show. And then on this side, also from Stranger Things, it says the crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. And these are $17.98. It also has little patches. A new color in this Beat Me Up This Place Sucks sweatshirt. We saw it in pink. And then they also have this one from Stranger Things. And then this blue radio station. And these are $17.98. So new ruffle tops from No Boundaries. So this one has a thin strap, this little tie detail with the hook and eye closure ruffle, and then the seam fit through the back. In the silver, also comes in the black, and they're $14.98. This new cardigan from Pretty Garden. So I know that Walmart sells this line online. Has the mock neck, the gold buttons, drop sleeve, and then the seam fit through the back. Also new sweater from Time and True. So this has that high neckline. It's a super soft, almost chenille. Has the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom with the slits on the side, and then the seam fit through the back. New denim from Sofia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the rhinestones. This is the Lana Relax Straight. There's no rhinestones on the back. So new style of tee from No Boundaries. So this is more of like a boxy fit. Has the crew neckline. These are really soft and stretchy. In the white, also in the black. Also new Hatchy long sleeve tops from Holiday Time. So these have the crew neckline, drop sleeve, banded wrist, the little slits on the side. They're tunic length. In the pink with the martini. There's red with ho ho ho. Green has farm fresh Christmas trees. And then the black, I love this one. I have new prints in the Holiday Time sweaters. So this has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. The blue with the trees. We saw that one with the Fair Isle Christmas trees. The little berry. And love, peace, joy. So new light up Grinch sweatshirt. This one has the crew neckline, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist. And these are $18.98. The print on the back. New licensed sweatshirt. So they have Grinch with the Grinch through the sleeve. And kind of is like the Hello Kitty one that we saw. Cute is this Winnie the Pooh set. So it has a crew neck sweatshirt and then the matching joggers. Has the ribbed bottom, ribbed wrists. Inside, it's a soft fleece. Pants are pull-on. They have that true jogger bottom. They're $14.98. Sweatshirts are also $14.98. New long sleeve Athletic Works tees. They are the buttercore material. Have that drop sleeve. It's kind of like a boxy fit in the gray, blue, and charcoal. And then in those same exact colors, they have the pull-on pants. They have that jogger bottom. And then the seam fit through the back. These are usually $10 in the gray, brown, and blue. Have the satin trim sweatpants. We saw the pullovers and the shorts. So they're from Avia. Inside it's a really plush material. It has that side pocket, the satin trim, and then the seam fit through the back. We only have the beige in store, but they also had a pink and black, and then in green. So these are the pullovers. They have that zip with the side pocket, ribbed wrist, that seam fit through the back. These are $24.98. That's the pink color, so it's almost like a lavender. There's also black and the green. Reebok vest. So these have that mock neck. They're very packable. They're not too bulky. They have the side pocket and then the hood in the back. In the black, also in the brown, and they're $38. New built-in sports bra tanks from Avia. So these have that high neckline. They're sleeveless. They do have the pads that are removable, fitted through the body and then racer back. In the mauve, there's black, white, and gray, and they're $12.98. Flare pants from Reebok. Look how cute they match back to those mock neck sweatshirts we saw last week. So these are a flared legging. They have that elastic waistband, the slit at the bottom, and then the seam fit through the back. In the brown, black, green. That green matches perfectly with that mock neck sweatshirt. Has that drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ripped little zippered pockets. Also new fleece pullover from Reebok. So this one has the half zip, all that seam detailing, embroidered logo with the side pocket. The elastic on the wrist, also at the bottom. In the ivory, also comes in the brown. So it looks like they also have the pants in blue. So they probably have the pants in the ivory. But these have an elastic waistband, side pocket, the little slit. They have blue, brown, and black. This new suit from No Boundaries. So it has the little button on the strap, this Christmas tree. We saw this similar with the bear. Wide leg. Look how cute the print is. Big Chill puffers. These are online only, so that means that somebody picked this one up online and then returned it. But it has that mock neck, Has this chevron quilting, zippered pockets, the banded wrist, really lightweight and packable, and then the same kind of chevron print through the back. These were $50 and now they're on sale for $22.99. So let's see, this is what the inside looks like, cloud tech. And then I also saw some toggles so you can pull it in. No zip hoodies from Scoop. So this is that scuba material, has the drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist side pocket with the seaming. Comes in the gray, also in black. What is this from Terran Sky? So this is their plus line, has the mid-size collar, full button, 2 front pockets, that cuff detail on the wrist. This doesn't look like a 0X. It's probably supposed to be more fitted. I really like it. And then it also comes in the black, and these are $39.98. Also new from Terran Sky are these wool look coats. So these have the collarless, bigger buttons, relaxed through the wrist, completely lined. In the ivory, also comes in the black, and they're $32.98. From Terran Sky, how pretty are these dresses? So it has the mock neck, it's sweater on top, and then this flowy skirt, same fit through the back in the blue, the eggplant, there's green and black, and these are $27.98. Also have new from Terran Sky, these sweaters that have like different sayings. So they have the crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed bottom, sparkle with the sequins. There's joyful with the blue and white, and then cheers with the gray and white. There's party in the beige. Boundary zip pullovers down to $14.99, regularly $18.98. So they have silver hardware, drop sleeve, ribbed wrists. That's what they look like on the inside. So like a soft fleece. Same kind of fit through the back. Via Vergara bootcut jeans, and pretty much all the washes are down to $15, regularly $25. They're like my favorite jeans. They're very stretchy. They have some fading. You have this dark wash, a mid-tone, a really light one. 2-pack of the George flannels are $16.77 for the 2-pack. Usually these are like $12 each. So they have that smaller collar, full button. I usually pick these up for myself. I size down 1 or 2. I have extra small and then also smalls, but they have lots of different color combos. Red and black buffalo check, white and black, this gray and brown, the blue, the light blue and red. I love this color with the light denim. This is like perfect fall. I guess we're done with fall, but look how pretty this one is for Christmas. And then the green and black and the blue. So like I said, regularly $13 each. You get 2 for $16.77. Women's Levi's and Strauss signature jeans. These are regularly between $26 and $28.98. They're down to $15. So all the washes, they're high rise, some whiskering, really nice stretchy, like their most premium denim. So really good for $15. No prints in the stretchy pajamas from No Boundaries. So these pants are elastic waistband. They're flowy through the leg. Now this new strawberry print. And then they also have the shorts with the stripes. These red and white, blue and white. And then also new are these heart tanks. These are usually all under 10. Like this one's online only, but the Joy Spun 2-piece pajama sets with the button down top and then the wide leg pant. How pretty is this print? They also have the red and black buffalo check. There's the star, the gray with the leopards, and then a leopard print. They're regularly $24.98. They're down to $16. Also have the $10 pajama set. So these are a plush material, like velvety. It has the crew neckline, jogger style pants in this plaid. They also have that Christmas print. So added these pajama sets to the website. I think when I originally showed them, they weren't there, but it's a plush tee with the pants in the leopard, the red and black buffalo check, and the gingerbread. No slipper socks. So these have the gripper bottom. They have Nightmare Before Christmas. They're lined with this plush material. How cute is the gingerbread with the cowboy hat? They have a Hello Kitty. There's Santa and Stitch and like a Christmas theme, and they're $5.97. Then for $3.97 holiday time 3-pack. They have the cactuses, the Winnie the Pooh, Christmas colors, Hello Kitty. There's Mickey, Stitch. Those are all $3.97. Look at the gingerbread. And Hello Kitty and Friends Peanuts. Another stitch. I had these in my cart with the gingerbread and they sold out. But look how soft. They took them out of my cart because I didn't check out. And a little snowman. Those are $5.97. Colors in the weekender bags from No Boundaries. So these have that top handle and then also the shoulder strap. They also have the slot for your like luggage. In this new black and white, they have solid black and they're $29.99. Have the Black Friday hat and scarf sets that are $14 for men NYC. They're the white and beige, pink, burgundy, black. And then also these crossbody bags. These are so nice for $14. Also comes with the charm in the green. There's black, brown, leopard. There's a Sherpa. New Journey heels. These have the round toe. There's a little bit of a chunky heel. Look how tiny these are. They also have a new Madden Girl sneaker. These have the round toe. These were probably bought online. Loafer style slippers from Deer Foams. They're only on sale online, but they have the round toe, that rubbered bottom, the plush trim, and the burgundy. There's this brown color in store, $21. Online, they're $9.99. And then these Crocs. The Crocs are on major sale right now, starting from Black Friday. I have the cutest Crocs in my cart from for my daughter and like the Christmas print, so I'll have those linked because they're really, really cute if you have younger kids. New slippers from No Boundaries. So these have a little bit of a platform. They're round toe. They have like that furry look with the fur bottom. In the beige, they also have brown and pink, and they're $14.98. So new boots from Time and Tru. So these have the round toe, have that gold buckle. They're riding style with the zipper on the inside. New from Madden Girl are these kitten heel boots. So these have a pointed toe, the chunky heel. It's a nice faux suede material. They're pull-on. They also come in black. I saw these online and I have them. I've had them on my mind, but these are on major sale. They have the square toe with that oversized bow, the thinner heel, and they have them in a few colors. I think they're under $15. Another Black Friday item. So these are from Madden NYC. They're a fuzzy like slipper boot. You can wear them outside because they have that rubbered bottom. So they have this leopard. There's also black and then pink. And those are $19. Waistband slippers are also on sale for Black Friday, only online. So they have that rubbered bottom. These are genuine suede. They have a bunch more colors and they're down to $12.99, regularly $20.98. Women's Avia sneakers with the bungee. They're regularly in store $24.98. They're down to $17. So they have a bunch of different color options that they have in store. But they have the round toe lift with the bungee laces. And the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.